Okay, next we are going to model the review score. So our label is bad review, like 0 or 1. And the columns we will taken over here, labels. This one is bad review, review, and clean review. So we will take only these three columns. Coming back towards why we are calling random forest classifier. So forest classifier is also supervised learning model when we have multiple values and we want to review them at different level. So over here again we are saying we have good or bad review, but under good we have various intensity, like the very good, good, bad, very bad, or worst. The intensity of the word is different. And why are we calling train test a split? Because we want to split our data set on train and test. So we have four values always in test and train. If you have already worked on learning algorithm, you must well aware about that. So in train we have basically x variable and y variable. Similarly in test data set we have x variable and y variable. So x are basically feature, y is basically our label. uh, like is bad review or not. So that is the something we want to predict or test. So that is our y variable. So we have splitted it out, it will not do anything. Similar example, if I say x is equal to 15 and if I don't do anything, it will not show me anything unless until I say x, and it will print the value. Similarly, I have called the libraries, I have split my data set, I have not implemented on my data set. So how can we do that? So I have written over here as well. First we choose which feature we want to use a train or model. Then we split our data set into two parts. One is train model, one is assess the model performance, that is testing. We will next use a random forest classifier for prediction. So again we have RF physical to random forest classifier, this is the similar one which we did for sentiment intensity analyzer. That is a variable, we are assigning this function to it, so we can write it without any estimator. So estimator basically tell us about how many leaves the tree will have, right? And then we are fitting it on train data set. So we are implementing our model rf.fit xtrain ytrain. So random forest, in this way we have implemented our model.